Hi guys, my name is Vansh Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn rules of present perfect tense. First rule is use has or have. Has, he, she, it names के साथ use होता है. Have use होता है I, you, we, they के साथ. Example, she has finished her work. They have played the game. Second rule, use the third form of the verb. Verb forms go, gone, see, seen. Example, I have seen the movie. He has gone the home. दोस्तों मैंने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस बनाए हैं. फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस I have finished my homework. She has eaten her lunch. They have played the game. He has lost his pencil. We have cleaned the room. I have washed my hands. She has found her book. They have reached to school. He has opened the door. I have learned a new word. She has written the answer. We have completed the project. They have decorated the room. He has cleaned his shoes. I have packed my bag. She has drawn a picture. They have started the game. We have watched that movie. He has fed the dog. I have done my work. She has sung a song. They have made a plan. He has caught the ball. We have bought some fruits. I have opened my gift. She has cleaned the table. They have repaired the cycle. He has read the story. We have built a sand castle. I have painted the wall. She has broken the cup. They have cooked dinner. He has written a letter. We have planted a tree. I have visited the zoo. She has baked a cake. They have called the teacher. He has washed the car. We have fixed a toy. I have found my keys. She has drawn a map. They have opened the window. He has joined the team. We have packed our lunch. I have cleaned the board. She has sent the message. They have saved the file. We have shared the video. I have repaired my watch. She has arranged the books. They have switched off the lights. He has cleaned the board. We have finished the test. I have climbed the tree. She has learned the poem. They have drawn a line. He has locked the gate. We have checked our bags. I have tied my shoelaces. She has finished her drawing. They have reached home. He has set the table. We have cleaned our desks. I have drunk water. She has answered the question. They have built a tower. He has packed his clothes. We have learned new words. I have charged my phone. She has washed the dishes. They have cleaned the garden. He has completed his drawing. We have turned off the fan. I have written my name. Thank you friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.